Hello, my name is Peter Horvath, and today we are going to be looking at this drive shaft here, and we're going to be focusing on three key points. We're going to be focusing on the angle, we're going to be focusing on the phasing, and we're going to be focusing on the run out. So, we're going to start it off on the top here with angles. You're going to want your dial indicator here, and what you'll do is, with the dial indicator, you would pull these little snap rings off for the sake of description. Here, I'll do that right now. You would grab a socket enough that would be big enough to fit in there. You would place the dial indicator on there. So after you get the measurement from the dial indicator, say 1.2, and that'll be from here on this transmission, you would then turn the drive shaft so, and then you would get it from this side. With the after you get that same, or the second number, say 1.8, you would then take the two numbers and you would subtract them. Or in this case, it depends on where the dial indicator says. As you can see, well, you might not be able to see it, but you have the up and down arrow. If both the numbers have up arrows, you would subtract it, and if both numbers are, if one number is up and one number is down, you would then add it. And that will get you the number that you're looking for. You want to have a degree between 1 to 3 degrees for the angle. If you have more than 3 degrees angle, that would cause extreme, or it could cause damage to your bearing here. It would cause damage to the U-joint, and in extreme cases of high number for angle, it would cause damage to your transmissions, and nobody wants that. So that's what angle. That's why you want to keep your angle within 3 degrees. So now on to the next one. It would be phasing. In a similar sense, it's going to use the dial indicator as well. It's very similar to what the angle does, but the difference is, instead of focusing on the U-joint here, you're only going to be focusing on the shaft right here. And the difference is this time you don't need a socket or don't even need to pull out the snap ring. So what you can do here, instead of having it in a straight line, which you would need to do for the angle, you would have it parallel to it for the phasing. And you'd want to focus on the ends here. You would then take the two numbers, and you want to make sure that they're within 1 degree. And for the third point would be the run out. You would get a dial indicator, and you would have it. You'd get 3 points. You want to have one. Let's see if I can get it here to show. You want to make sure you're just past it right here. So, and you go about 6 inches beyond it, and then you would want to get one here in the middle. This tells you if your drive shaft right here is warped or not, or if it's twisted or damaged. So you usually can't really tell if you look at it. That's why you get the dial indicator.
Right.
And that is everything. That is all for this video. All right.